What I want to do today is connect our Google Sheets and Trello apps so that whenever a new row is created in Google Sheets, a new card will be created on our selected Trello board. Zapier is a no-code tool that makes it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial, so you could try it risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap by clicking the button on the left-hand side of the screen. Because I want Google Sheets to trigger my Trello app, I'll need to use Google Sheets as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. Setting this as the trigger means that anytime Google Sheets sees a new task is created, it's going to run this workflow. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click New Spreadsheet Row as my event and click Continue. The first time we set up Google Sheets, we'll need to authenticate it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Google account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses industry standards for encryption when connecting with each of your apps. I'll put a link to Zapier's security and trust page in the description as well. Next, we'll need to set up our trigger app's data. Click the spreadsheet you want to use for your Zap. I'm going to click Zapier Boards, and then for my worksheet, I'll click Sheet 1. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue, and we can start setting up our action. Type in Trello into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click Create Card and click Continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate Trello with Zapier, just like I did with my Google account. By the way, if at any point you get stuck, Zapier's got an amazing support team that can help you out. There's a link in the description to their forum post for this specific workflow. Click Continue, and it's time to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps field. First, pick the board where you want your card to be posted. I'm going to click Project Lists. Then, under List, I'm going to check off To Do. Next, you'll want to use the data from your spreadsheet to fill out the rest of the Action Apps field. Under Name, I'm going to click Task. Under Description, I'll click Description of Task, and under Due Date, I'm going to click Due Date and then I'll click Continue. Click Test Action, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime a new spreadsheet row is created in Google Sheets, a new card will automatically be created in our selected Trello board. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier could do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.